Hello, this is Clément Farinier from Opus Technologies, and we are here at InfoComm Vegas to present our assistive listening solution. So Opus Technologies is a French manufacturer of assistive listening solution for more than 10 years. In here we're going to see our Intercom, window intercom series. So you've got like the OP-65 05. Everywhere you have double glazing, so at a metro station, at a money exchange, everywhere you have double glazing basically, you would have the possibility to have two-way communication between an agent and a customer. Two-way communication, you press the button to turn on the conversation, press again to switch it off. We have 3 listening mode here on the back, quiet, standard, noisy, depending of basically the kind of environment you have installed your system. But you also have the possibility to increase and decrease independently the volume of the central unit or the external one. And all of our systems come with over here an audio output, meaning that we can connect an induction loop system, for example, in order to turn it into compatible with T-Coils, or an Aura-CA, which is our Auracast systems. Here we have another interesting product, which is the OP-6515. So pretty much the same kind of solution as the 6505 we have seen, but this one comes with a ultra-cardioid microphone for a better captation of the audio. And the cool feature of this one is this basically speaker. It's a wireless speaker, meaning that your cabling would be only on the agent side, and this one you can leave like up to 2 centimeters between the two units to broadcast the audio and make a two-way communication, meaning that if you have like a counter where there's double glazing and you cannot drill within the furniture because it's protected by the national architect, or because you cannot just drill into this window, this one would work wireless. Again, compatible with Auracast or Induction loop. So if you want to know more about our window intercom system for all of your counters with double glazing, feel free to go on our website www.opus-technologies.fr.